Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So pretty simple structure at the moment. We are in a range. We were in a range all of last week. If you go to the weekly bar, you'll see it's a tail to the upside, tail to the downside, big range body. It's a red body inside bar. Very good possibility that we are rejecting this neckline of the head and shoulder. So there's a shoulder, head, shoulder. That's the one scenario. But if I look at some of the other indexes, it's a bit confusing because you do have what's looking like wedge structure rather than head and shoulders. Anyway, we've got bullish and bearish setups at the moment. Oscillator at the moment indicating extremely oversold. And also we have a bit of a crossover here down above the 20. So that's a fairly bullish setup at the moment. So for me right now, this is cautious. We need to get above 42.06 for me to even start thinking about being bullish. And if we get below 40.74, then I would expect a continuation to the downside. So that's kind of the scenarios that we have on the 8 hour. If we switch across to 3 hour, we've got a crossover the moving averages. And last week we tested the 155 twice. The 155 EMA twice, and that to me is an indication of a potential trend reversal. We also have a double bottom in play, and this is the neckline of the double bottom, and you can see we've got 2 pin bars off it. So that is 40.96. Something to pay attention to. Let's get down to the hour. So if you look at the hour, we had Thursday big move up with Thursday's data, and then big move down with Friday's data. So big up, big down, big confusion range. Okay, we're coming up into this zone, and I call it a zone because there's lots of tails here, and moving averages are here. I'm not interested in trading this at the moment. Simple, just plain and simple. I have no intention of trading this. I want to see a break to the upside of 4,200. If we can get that and we can hold it, then I would start looking for setups to the upside. But at the moment, this is range bound, and I have no interest in getting stuck in the range. What could be happening here is we could be coming up to reject this area here. Now, the bigger trend is the downside, so that's probably the more than likely trade that is brewing. So this is one area to reject. If we do reject this area, then I would expect some kind of move to the downside. But to be honest, I want to see a break below, not even there. I want to see a break below here at 4074. We break and retest that area, then I'm all for a short. But until one of those two levels give way, I have no intention of putting my money into this. You can see if you look on the 15-minute, big moves up, no structure, no opportunities to indicate that you need to be looking for a trade to the upside there on Thursday. Similarly on Friday, no structure, nothing indicating that you need to be moving off to the downside. The only little downside potential move is this pin bar here late in the session. So I think that's kind of my view at the moment. I have no intention of jumping in on this right now until we break one of those levels to the upside or one of those levels to the downside. Until that happens, I am sitting quietly and earning interest on my money rather than risking it. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.